Hello, Fizz. Thank you for the video. And the stars aligned when you made it. I shit you not. Because there's something about an hour before it was published that pissed me right the fuck off. Let me explain. An hour before you actually published it, roughly, I was doing something on the internet, and then there was a power cut throughout the street. And you think, well, why would I have something to rage about? I have to rage to the burglar alarm companies. There is a piece of logic I don't think they've quite got. Now, as we all know, a burglar alarm is supposed to go off if there are intruders in a house or a domicile. That's fine, I have no problem with that. One of our neighbours has one that goes off once every 3 or 4 months. Doesn't really hurt me. Doesn't annoy me at all. It's usually during the day. But the burglar alarm companies have invented this new technique to piss me the fuck off. Now, it might be different in the US, but most people get their electricity from the ground in the UK. There are underground cables that goes into everybody's home and goes into a fuse box, to a metering box. There's nothing wrong with that. But the burglar alarm companies had an idea. The stupidest goddamn idea you will ever see in your life. Allow me to explain. When the power is cut off, a burglar alarm goes off. Now there is a piece of logic there that doesn't quite fit. Okay, 1. No domicile ever in Britain is worth blowing up a power converter, which is more likely to kill you if you do it, to get in. I don't care what they have, PS3, Xbox One, PS4, Xbox One, it is not worth the cost of doing it. Secondly, who would bloody do it? What does anybody own in the UK that requires a goddamn burglar alarm to go off if the power is fucking cut? It is infuriating, to say the least. But there's something else. Why was this idea even thought of? What is the point? Because, I'm sorry, I know of nowhere where electricity is easily cut off, or easily disableable to a house. Do you? Does anybody know where it's easily disableable to a house? Anybody, anywhere. Please, write in the comments. You can only Google+, I'm sorry about that, but write it in the fucking comments. I'm sure it was not. That's my rant over. Sorry, Fizz, I don't know the cost of the coins, but they are reasonably sought after. They're not gold winning, but they're reasonably sought after. That was the most confusing title in video history. And yes, I did see what you mean about me being sort of Charles Dickian. I didn't just fucking say that, did I? Orwellian. Yes, that's better. Orwellian in my delivery of the rant. I hope this one is equally as Orwellian. But the next one that I'm doing tomorrow, George Lucas, I'm coming for you. Goodbye.